Is your dog a Velcro dog? What's a Velcro dog?
A Velcro dog is a dog that always wants to be by your side.
They follow you everywhere and always keeps an eye on you and wants to be by your side everywhere. This is called the Velcro dog syndrome. So some common signs include following you from room to room, constantly needing and wanting to be right beside you, keeping an eye on you at all times, anticipating when you'll be getting up from bed or going out the door, always wanting to be where all the action is. Some common Velcro dog breeds include the Great Dane, Labrador Retrievers, Italian Greyhounds, French Bulldogs, German Shepherds, and last but not least, the Akitas.
In our next video, we'll be talking about the reasons why our dogs love to follow us around.